Okay, this is the latest HKC Quantum 2021 March. It's got a lot of improvements, including this prox tag reader. So this is a tag which I can use to turn on and off the alarm if I just hold it up.
System arming.
So you can put that on your keys.
System unset.
Another feature it has is built-in Wi-Fi, onboard Wi-Fi. So I've connected this to the Wi-Fi here in the house, which means they can connect to the HKC Secure Comm service and get the app on their phone to control the alarm. Also receive alerts from the alarm if it goes off. So it's got a lot of improvements. Okay, so this is a window that has two openings. And to alarm this, I'm going to use two sensors, but one is wired and one is wireless. So this here is wireless shock and contact. This is a wired shock and contact. So I'm going to connect one to the other using a bit of PVC trunking across the top of the window behind the blind and a bit of cable here. Okay, so that's it done now. So on the right there's the wireless shock and contact. On the left there's the wired one. They're connected together with that wire that's passing through the piece of PVC trunking on the top, which you won't be able to see once the blind go back up. But if you prefer to do without that trunking, you could of course use a wireless one on both sides, but it would be more expensive. So those sensors will detect if somebody opens, either opening or if they use a crowbar, or screwdriver or something like that to try and jemmy each side. The vibration will pass in to the sensor and the alarm will activate. So as you can see, if I tip the window here, it detects that. So I have it on walk test at the moment, so the alarm just sounds for 1 second. So if you can see, it doesn't take much, but on the other hand, that's what you want. You want the alarm to activate if somebody's sticking a crowbar in there. And if you just watch this, if I use my hand, nothing happens because it doesn't detect something soft. It only detects something hard, which is great. So the wind isn't going to set the alarm off. Once again, if I use something hard, works a treat.